Hey, my name is Jasper and I will show you where you find the most important things in your camper van. Actually, it's pretty easy. Mostly under the back seats you will find your heating system. Next to the slide door you will see your control panel as well as your panel for the heating system. At the control panel you can turn off and on the electricity for your living room. Also you can see how is the charging system of your battery and also how many water is left, or if you have to put away your grey water. On the right back side of the car you will find your fresh water tank. It's behind this wall, and here you have the fresh water intake. If we go around the car you will find the electricity plug. Here's the electricity plug where you can put in your electricity from the campsite. If you need to clean the toilet, it's under this little door. From the inside perspective, under this wooden thing you will find your fresh water tank, and on the left hand side under this wooden thing there you find the gas bottles. In case you have a problem with your electricity and you need to replace a broken fuse, your fuse box you can find in a compartment behind the gas bottles. In most cases the grey water tank is under the car. If you want to open or close it, you need this special tool. Before we leave the campsite and go on a road trip, we have to think about a few things. For example, first of all, we should unplug the electricity so we don't destroy any cables or plugs. Also, we should turn the valve of the gas bottle close and make sure that there is nothing running. If you have any fresh foods in your fridge, we should make sure that the control panel is turned on, the fridge is running. It's also important that the charging booster is charging your battery. And please make sure that everything is closed so there's nothing that can fly around your car if you have to brake hard. Also, you should think about taking some water and your charging cable for the phones or anything else you need for driving in the front of the vehicle. I'm pretty sure your car will give you a loud alarm if you forget it, but just to make sure it don't annoys you, think about the little doorstep to put it inside before you start driving. And now it's time to wish you a great road trip. See you.